All right, guys, it's April 5th, and this is about to come off. I think Oklahoma City is done with frost, or if so, it won't be a bad one. So I'm gonna get the box off. I'll rope it, cut off some old fronds, and see what we got that's nice and green. But I think it's ready, and I'll drop again some weather forecast. But I think it's ready, and it's been open for so long that might as well just take it off. Some of the nights are 40s and 50s and then 60s, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Again, it's April 5th in Oklahoma City. All right, it's declared palm season. It's about how much I cut off each time, and it's kind of how she looks when it comes out. And then I'll drop a photo of end of summer last year where it had fronds down to here. It's just a full circle, so it'll be fine. Take a few days just to get rid of that bed head, and then we'll start seeing what it pushes. But yeah. Start of palm season 2026. I'm declaring. Pretty good size Washingtonia for Oklahoma, just by looking at the sawtooths on the petioles. It's pretty big petiole. See, just take some, yeah, pretty good size petioles. So. Doing pretty good. See, the middle one coming out, and there's another one up there with it, if you can see. But yeah, I think it's gonna be all right. Yeah, so again, that is about 2 foot. That's a little bit more than 2 foot retaining wall, and that's a 6 foot stockade fence. So it's up there, and who knows how much it'll be by the end of the growing season, but it's growing fast and looking good. Just need some fresh mulch and be ready to go.